my garden. Today is a really, really nice day, and I finally decided to get outside and plant up this large container. So last weekend, George and I, we went to Toulouse, which is a big city near us. It's about an hour away, and there is a botany school, right, George? It's a botany school, agricultural school, and children there, they grow different kinds of plants, annuals and perennials, and they also sell them there. So I was really excited. This is our third year that we are going there in the summer to get some annuals. Their prices are really, really good, and it's helpful to the school. So I got a whole bunch of things, and I'd like to create a container today. One of my front containers I also like to plant up today, so we'll go ahead and get that done. But today is a really nice day. We had lots of rain again last 2 days or so. I couldn't get in to get anything done, and also we had wind right before the rain. So today it's looking really good. George and I went worked out at the gym this morning, so I'm ready to go. Anyway, for last fall I had all the tulips that I planted in this container, so they're all finished. I removed all the tulips. I didn't particularly save the tulips in this container, but some of the other ones that I really like that are special to me, I mean, not special, I just like them. So I'm going to try to take them out, dry them, and then try to replant them again next fall. I have never done that before. I am interested to know if it is actually going to work. I was just, talking to a friend of mine, and she said, yes, it should work. I've read uh, articles about it, and they said, yes, it should work. So I'm going to try it. If you guys know anything about that, or you've tried something like this, let me know in a comment section, because I'm really, really interested about it. But so I'm going to try to let them take a soak in the sun as much as possible to get as much as energy into their bulbs, and then I'm going to remove them, try to let them yellow out, dry, and then I'm going to store them in my basement and hopefully try to replant them again in the fall. But today, let's go ahead and plant this container. So I wanted to show you the plants that I have today. Everything turned out purple. So I have not had these colors in a very long time, and I'm not really that great with the with annuals as much as I am with perennials, because in Colorado we just didn't have a long summer, and I didn't really use too many annuals in my garden. I mostly worked with perennials because I was working a lot, and summer was really short, so it wasn't my focus. And now I'm trying to learn more about the perennials. More about annuals. And so I found some really, really pretty ones. Some of them don't have names. I know these are the angelonias. They look really pretty, really bright purple. And then we have Salvia amistad, and they do get quite tall, and really airy. They kind of have that grass quality to them, which I'm not really big into grass, but I do like salvias a lot. And I thought this would be really nice to have as a centerpiece in a large container, which would be really pretty. So I have two, and I'm so what I'm going to do is just go with two amistads as a center, as a thriller, which would be really pretty, I think. And then we end up having they had some Cleome, which I've never worked with Cleome before. This is new, and I thought the colors will look really pretty, because this can go, next size down a little bit like that, which I think it's going to be pretty. And then, of course, we have this purple angelonias, which is going to look nice together. Then we have verbenas, and I can't tell you the name of this verbena, but look how beautiful this verbena is. And I think the colors will be really pretty because it has a bit of a contrast with the fuchsia color, but then it has that beautiful lavender, purple. I think everything will just be very cohesive together. So I'm excited about that. Then I also end up buying a whole bunch of purple hearts. Love purple hearts. I have it in a few places in the garden. They come back for me every year, and I thought this could be really pretty on the edge of the container to bring the colors together, bring the deep purple. So I kind of had to go with what they had, and I thought, this combination could look really different and interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and plant them and see how they will look. Also, just before I start, I wanted to show the other container that I had, which I'm going to plant. So one I already planted up because it was so windy and they were falling everywhere, and I started breaking my angelonia, so I decided to go ahead and plant. Now this one is going to be a little different, and I also realized that I don't have as many verbenas as I needed, so I think I'm going to need 2 more in this planter, maybe 1 more. So we might take a trip and go see if I can get a couple of more. But see how beautiful they are. I don't know the name of this because it's not specified here, but it's really pretty. It's a little different than the ones we have in a large container, but for most part, I think these containers will kind of work together as a whole with the large container as well. So here I have a cleomis as a centerpiece. We have verbenas, and then I have angelonia here that's a little bit more paler colors. I think it's going to be really pretty. Soft colors here. And then for the contrast, I planted one of those purple hearts. And I think if I do the purple, all the purple combination of plants in a large container and looking from here will be really beautiful view, because the purple will carry out, and as a whole it will look really pretty. And so that's what's going on here in these containers. And then I'm really excited because George and I just figured out what to do about picking up our hose. As many of you guys know, that we placed our storage there, and then I had something that I was picking up my hose on, and that had to be removed. But I really don't want to place anything by the storage because I'd like to landscape that area and make it really decorative and beautiful. So and I really don't want to. It wasn't preferable for me to mount something on a wall on a house. So we just figured out how to do it, and when I get it done, I'll just show you how we did it. So I'm really excited about that. Hopefully we can get on this project and get that part done. So few things we will keep talking it out and trying to come up with ideas how to do. So we have the plan now, we just need to get it done. And look who is resting right there. I'm so excited when he comes to the garden when I'm here, because sometimes he just likes to wander everywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and start planting. I'm really excited how this is going to be turn out, because I kind of placed them together before a couple of days ago just to look at it before we had really hard wind, and it looked really nice. So I think this is going to be really pretty. So first I'm going to start with my fertilizers and some mycorrhizal fungi for the root development. So I think it looks fabulous. I think it looks really, really nice. It's really different than what I've done in the previous times, but I thought this is what is so fun about gardening, that we can experience different things. And I like the airness. I think it's going to be really pretty with the amistad keep rising right from the center with their beautiful purple flowers. Oh, I think it's going to be really pretty. I'm excited, and it's really different. And I love this verbena. Now, I wasn't able to tag them well in the soil because I thought I had plenty of soil here. But as I started planting, I realized that I will need one small bag of soil to just pack around really well. And I don't want them to be sunk too far down, because then they're just not going to look that great. So, just in a few minutes, I can just run and get small bag of soil and just pack the roots really well here and bring the soil level up a little bit, and it's going to be just fine. But in the meantime, they're fine for the few minutes until I get the soil. But oh, it looks so nice. I'm not sure if I like this one being so far up, but I don't know, to look into this one. Maybe a little bit like this. Maybe this is better because it's more straight up versus so much out. Eventually they will just spread, and then they will probably blend in all of the colors together, because the amistad will actually get really big and start coming through all directions. And I'm hoping for the purple heart to start trailing down a little more. Verbenas hopefully will be a little more bulk and start filling in these areas. But I love the colors, and I think this is right in between the pink and the purple. It just brings such a beautiful and interesting combination this year. I'm really, really pleased with that. So I hope this will give you guys some ideas to use in your garden. I think it looks really great. So let's just go ahead and plant the front container really quick, and then we'll conclude our video after that. Okay, I think this look turned out really, really pretty. It's starting to get a little windy and cloudy. I'm not sure if you're going to get more rain or not, but you can see how beautiful this looks. So I think I might need, maybe I just need to give them a little more space, and we should be good, because this is Angelonia, and you can see part of it got broke from the wind broke it, so it will start having more stems coming out. I will actually fill in this area. It is probably better for me to just give a little more space, and maybe I don't even need an extra one, because they will fill in this container beautifully. But I think it looks really nice, and you can see the colors go really well with our large container there. I think this is really pretty. Oops, I need to go get my containers. So I hope you guys like this video. It's a short one, but I thought I can take you along and get these containers filled in. It's such a fun time to create summer containers. It's so creative for me. I enjoy it very much, and I thought you guys would probably enjoy the same way as I do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my videos. If you like them, give me the thumbs up and send me comments. I always love to hear from you, and I always respond. I try to respond to everyone. So have a lovely day, enjoy your garden, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.